Okay, so the sat nav from any screen into nav. See there, if you press it again, you've got the screen. Press again, nav, you've got destination input, and that's what we want. So OK, destination input, city and postcode, that's what we want. Click on OK there, and then it's using these. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P R. Now we need to go to numbers, which it's already defaulted to 5 4. Gone back to it's as you'd expect from Ford. To be fair, they always have the best systems. That's J S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and then here it's OK, cancel. We'll go back to the keyboard, and we start at the bottom left, so click start. Eco, fast, short. Fast, I would think, so click OK for the fastest routes being calculated.
Continue to follow the road.
So that's it. Real easy, good system. You don't need a massive screen, you just need it to tell you where you're going, don't you? So it's ideal. And although the new Ford Transits are really, really nice, I prefer these with clicks and buttons and things like that. Not a big touch screen in the middle, a big iPad. That's just stupid. You're just going to break it. They're going to end up either 3 workmen in it with one of them with the boots on it, or a big piece of wood dropping on it.